Parang kinakabahan ako buksan to Be sure though, but... Alright sa inyo mga kalods, welcome back sa bagong video. At ngayon ay tayo ay maglalaro isang interesting horror game na pinangalanan na Midnight Missing Sister. So naalala nyo ba nilaro ko na Suit 776, which is itong content na to? Ay, wait lang. God dang! Kung oo, at kung naalala nyo yan, guys, ang developer niya na yung developer din po ng lalaroin natin ngayon na Midnight Missing Sister mismo. So, I wanna see kung paano sila nag-improve sa game nila mismo, sa controls. I don't know kung sa controls may nag-improve ba, pero try natin tignan sa graphics, same din, ganun din. Well, I'm looking forward sa pinaka-game na to mismo kasi I don't know kung ano nagbago sa game nila. So, tignan natin kung ano mabibigay sa atin ng game na to. Matutuwa ba tayo? Matatakot ba? I don't know. Let's see. So, mag-play na tayo. There you go. There you go. My parents went on vacation and I was left to look after my sister. She has some problem. Sometimes she is very strange, so I have to look after her. Everything was fine until I heard strange noises in the middle of the night. Damn those songs. My sister's probably feeling bad again. I have to check again. Oh, ito na. This is the game. Okay, so effortless yung game when it comes sa sound. So, I'd say na pass ako sa game na to. Sa mga ganitong klaseng game or ganitong type of game, pass talaga ako. Kasi pag sa akin, papasa talaga sa kabilang buhay yung developer na to No? Okay, so seems like there's still nothing dito. So, I don't know what to do. Where's our sister? I think katabi lang natin sister natin eh. Yeah. Hari-hari Hello? Wala yung sister mo dito. Where's your sister? Ha? Saan? It's strange. She's not here. I need to find her and how she is. May ganun tayo? Okay, sige.
2 hours later.
Maybe it will be helpful para sa inyo. I thought kasi na hindi eh. Totoo lang, hilig nyo sa horror game. Okay, yan. Wala. Ito, wala pa din. Dito, wala pa din. Hare-hare sige. Sheesh. Okay. So, we got a broken TV. Very nice.
Bibigyan kita ng MyView TV.
Very not nice, I mean, sorry. Okay, wala pa din. Are you sure about that? Where are we gonna go? Oh, ito bumubukas. Probably there's something in here. Yeah, hare-hare Hi! Hello? Pucha, pag may bumulaga talaga sa akin dito, ay nako na lang. Huwag niyo subukan. Tol, can you open the door? Ayun. Tol, pag may bumulaga dito, okay, seems like wala. Okay, goods. Was that our sister? Okay, sige. Hi. Halamang gubat. Sige. I don't see anything. Pucha, to lang liwanag niyan. Don't you freaking see? Oh my gosh. Shit, ang kalabumbam. Grabe. Ang inang kabubuhan yan, tol. Andito ba yung something in here? This is the room where the flashlight is. Oh, ito? Sure ka? Ito. There you go. Kinakabahan ako dito, pucha, para may masamang mangyayari Pag ganito kinakabahan ako. Hello? Anyone here? Pucha, ba nangyari sa'yo, tol? Is it fine? Nawala na, gading. Okay, sure. Sige, hello? Don't you freaking dare to touch me. Okay, don't you. Sorry. Okay, ang dilim na nga tol. Ang dilim na, sige. This is not good. Fucking fuck was that? There was clearly something wrong with her. Yup, there is something wrong with her. When we... Okay, nag-ring. May tumatawag sa atin. Tapos tumawag ka Anong kabobohan yun? Ha? Sheesh. Okay.
Hey son, I know what happened to her.
Voice acting.
Go to your room. Under the bed, there is something that will help you.
There's something that will help me. Daddy, ano naman yun? Ha? What is that thing na makakatulong sa akin? I need to go to my room. There's something under the bed that will help me. Are you sure about that? Okay, p***a. Hi? Parang kinakabahan ako buksan to ah. Okay, meron ba dito? Okay, definitely wala. Sige. Oh my gosh, shit, how am I gonna go? Where should I go more likely? I don't freaking know. Grab. Okay, sige. Everything seems to be changing right now. I'm not really sure though, but... Puto yun, bakit gumagapang? Tol, napakapangit ng ugali mo. Oh my gosh, ito na naman ako, nagiging OA na naman ako. Oh, alam ko, sige, ganyan naman kayo. Oh, yan, ito, kararya. Hehehe. Hehehe. Kumanda ka sa akin yan. Hehehe. I got you. Ha? Ay, ano, huwag kang tumakbo sa akin, tang ina mo, ha? Puta tol, ang bilis niya. Mabilis din ako, ano? I am a mighty Flash, Peppa Flash. I am the mighty Flash. Ano? Oh, ano? Ano? Ha? Ano? Takbo, ha? Takbo, ano? Ha? Takbo. Handa ka sa akin ngayon. Sige, lumabas ka dito. Sige. Lumabas ka, ha? Lumabas ka, ano? Lalabas ka? Siyempre, lalabas ka. Alam ko yun. Alam mo yun? Talagang papalag ka pa, ha? Talagang papalag ka pa, putang ina mo, ha? Buka ka ng inakali ka dito, ha? Ha? Puta, tol, bakit ayaw pumutok? Tol, bakit ayaw pumutok, tol? Like, seryoso. Bakit ayaw, ha? Okay, wait lang. Putang ina mo, bakit tulak na malakas? Ha! Terrorists win? Puta, Counter-Strike to? However, shortly after the fatal midnight, the police arrived on the scene and arrest Daniel. As it turns out that he has a mental disability and is taking pills. This led to the tragic incident in the reality. The sister was trying to get away from her brother by hiding from him to preserve her life. The sister was not possessed by demon, it was all Daniel's fantasy. Neighbors who heard their scream and gunshot impatiently called the police, hoping to help the unfortunate girl, but there was no way to save her. The girl was shot with a shotgun, Daniel was put in a mental hospital, and there he realized what happened. Okay, so, ayun, ganda na, may shooting music tayo So, yun, bali maraming sa support ng video na to. Ayun na po ang pinaka-fatal midnight or pinaka-midnight missing sister. So, okay tayo dyan.